Russia is isolated. Completely and irreversibly. During the last SPC meeting, one Russian propagandist, they still call them diplomats to gain some credibility, started reading his statement. The MTG room was emptied immediately. Everyone stands with Ukraine. And in Bakhmut direction, Ukrainian BMP-2s continue to hammer 30mm stakes into Russian evil spirits. In Iran, several explosions east of the city of Karaj. Air defense systems are active. It is reported that there are facilities that produce Shahed drones in this city, which are used in Ukraine by Russian forces. And for the end, some Russian tank porn.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.